plus florals.
Alright, okay. Another classic one for you, no?
6 pesos
Let's do Count on You. Ayan, matagal ko na hindi kinakanta to. Count on You. Ayan, Miss Jess. Shout out ng Fuego. Shout out sa mga taga Fuego. Count on You, Tommy Show. And I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears, and on our own we've been so far. We sworn at the moon and we counted the million stars. My love still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I started this walls before, and they made me blue. And all alone in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, and count on you to be there, and no questions in the air, and no asking why or where, and no looking back. Count on you every time, and to ease my worried mind, and you forever be important to me, my miracle mind. And if I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do. Long it's close to you. Shout out Felix, magandang hapon sa iyo. And also Chinito, shout out Chinito, magandang hapon. Instrumental, pero napakasarap pakinggan pag guitar. talaga. Yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Woo! Yan ang kantang Count on You, and yan yung acoustic guitar cover guys na sinasabayan natin. So talaga naman pag mga acoustic, ang sarap din pakinggan, no? Kahit yung guitar cover lang niya. Hi Bell, naka-break ka na Bell? Oh, shout out Bell. Oh, naka-break ka na ba?